Action.
Action.
Hi, I'm Dave with Elgranada BBQ. We do country cooking with the California twist. And today we have a special guest chef in the studio with us. My beautiful actress model niece, Kelly.
Hi guys. Hey guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really healthy green smoothie because that's what I like to drink every day. I know you'd rather have some type of meat and beans and potatoes or something like that. But today I'm going to show you how to get healthy and to get some nice antioxidants and vitamins into your body. Super easy, super healthy, and if you have one of these every day, you'll be sure to live longer. First off, we start with any type of blender will work. This is a Vitamix, but you don't have to use a Vitamix. You can use whatever you'd like. I have some spinach and some kale. This is red kale. This is just regular old spinach, not baby spinach. Regular spinach, regular kale. I'm going to wash them very quickly because you always want to wash your greens. You don't want to get any type of weird bacteria or whatever grows in your greens when you don't wash them. Shake off that excess water because we have all the water we need right here with this Vita Coco. 100% natural coconut water. This is my favorite, not from concentrate. I like it because it tastes really good. It's hydrating. It's like eating a bunch of bananas, but you get to drink it in yummy coconut water. You fill it up to right about there. That'll be good. Next step, we have our superfoods. We have our flax seed. We have our chia seed. We have our maca root. This is gelatinized maca root. You can use any type of maca root you'd like. I'm going to start with a big old heaping teaspoon of chia seeds. Woo! You can do more if you'd like. I just do one. Next, we're going to do our flax seeds. These are not ground, these are regular old whole flax seeds, organic. Everything here is organic because we don't want nasty pesticides in our body. Flax seeds. Woo! Last we have our maca root to balance your hormones, to give you energy naturally without caffeine. Big old heap. Actually, I'm going to do a little less. A little bit less since it's later in the day. We don't want too much energy before we get ready for bed later. A little maca. Next, we're going to go into our freezer. Grab your organic frozen berries. Give them a little tappy. Break them up. Pour your frozen organic mixed berries, whatever type of berries you like. Or you can do mango. I like to do mango. I like to do sometimes acai. But mixed berries is my go-to. Delicious, full of lots of good stuff. Next, we're going to put the lid on. That's all. Lid. Vitamix is on. Next, we're going to blend because we don't want a nasty, thick smoothie that's like drinking a salad. We want it to be smoothie ready to go. Pry this guy off. Why is it so hard today? Don't know.
Oh, drinking glasses right behind you.
You can drink it straight from the blender or you can pour it in a glass. Sometimes I drink it from the blender if it's way too big for a glass. Today, perfect fit for a glass.